boar. Now that boar is shot. And I don't think there's anything
ahead of them, pull the trigger.
Wow.
And then when they tumble that big mass of beast down it. So we had to reserve this hunt a year and a half ago to have this particular spot in the hunts. They're fairly rare, it's just full pigs. It's just a really coveted zone.
The fact that you can hunt them driven and you boar. That boar is shot. And I don't think there's anything black speck come out of a green and brown forest. That'll get your blood going pretty good.
The driven boar is unlike anything else. I mean, it's absolutely this addictive adrenaline. Big black bombers coming out of the forest running at you. And it's ahead of them, pull the trigger. Wow. And then when they tumble that big massive beast down, you can experience it. And they've been doing it. Not tricky enough.
But you have game. Hungary's tradition of driven shooting generates revenue from